going down on this one?
Go down that one? No, because that one will go down because you see.
This domain explores the child's growing ability to engage in scientific inquiry through observation, investigation, documentation, and communication.
I see the show, you the show.
And to understand and investigate basic concepts of the physical sciences, life sciences,
Use their legs for swimming.
and earth sciences.
Let me try. Oh, my.
Children at around 48 months demonstrate curiosity and raise simple questions about objects and events in their environment,
Skinny, does he have little pens on his feet?
and begin to use, with adult support, some observation and measurement tools. They compare and contrast objects and begin to describe similarities and differences, make predictions,
What do you think?
It's going to turn into mud.
and check them with adult support,
But it's going to turn into mud.
and make inferences
Maybe it's a mouse. Eat her little mouse.
and form generalizations based on evidence.
Dime qué dibujaste aquí para ponerle aquí yo.
They record observations or findings in various ways with adult assistance.
Oh, estaba buscando comida.
And share findings and explanations.
If I squeeze both too tight, this one got more and this one got less.
They observe, investigate, and identify the characteristics and physical properties of objects and of solid and non-solid materials. They demonstrate awareness that objects and materials can change,
Get the water out.
To get the water off.
and observe and describe the motion of objects,
Things have to go roll down.
and explore the effect of their own actions.
Did you see that? Look, I just looked at it and tapped another one, and the other one fell off the table.
They identify the characteristics of a variety of animals and plants.
What do you know about an octopus? What did you draw here? Oh, the suction cups for the octopus.
Begin to indicate knowledge of body parts and processes.
Crabs use their legs for crawling.
Identify the habitats of people and familiar animals and plants,
What else do you find in the water? Sharks.
and demonstrate an understanding that living things change over time in size and in other capacities as they grow.
Chicken got red one.
They investigate characteristics of earth materials,
I see moon.
observe and describe natural objects in the sky,
It's a half moon.
It's a half moon.
and describe changes in weather.
Yesterday, it was snowing at my house.
It was snowing at your house yesterday?
Not inside, outside.
That's amazing. What did you do? Did you go out and play in the snow?
No, we had to go to sleep. It was at night.
Oh, it was a night. And what happened when you woke up? What did you see out the window?
The sun melted all of the snow.
They also develop awareness of the importance of caring for and respecting the environment, and participate in activities related to its care.
Why does he not eat the food?
Children at around 60 months demonstrate curiosity and an increased ability to raise questions about objects and events in their environment.
I wonder how it can eat a bee if the bee might sting it.
They use a greater variety of observation and measurement tools, though they may still need adult support. They compare and contrast objects, describe similarities and differences in greater detail,
See that this one feels bumpy and this one feels a little bit of bumpy.
What happened when we add the water, you think?
demonstrate an increased ability
Turn Play-Doh.
It's going to turn into Play-Doh?
to make predictions and check them.
Wait, Brandon.
Okay, so Brandon's turn. We're going to give Brandon...
It's like a Play-Doh.
And demonstrate an increased ability to make inferences and form generalizations based on evidence.
Why do you think the flower would have to be safe?
Because they don't want birds to eat it.
Oh,
El capullo.
They record information more regularly and in greater detail in various ways with adult assistance and share findings and explanations.
Black clouds that roll in from sunny clouds to black clouds, and then it rains.
They demonstrate increased ability to observe, investigate, and describe in greater detail the characteristics and physical properties of objects and of solid and non-solid materials.
I think the water can't move because it's up in the water can't go up. So I think it has to be down.
it has to be down.
The black is not too hard.
Demonstrate an increased awareness that objects and materials can change in various ways.
Anna, the brush is too hard. That's the problem. Paint isn't hard. The brush is hard.
And demonstrate an increased ability to observe and describe in greater detail the motion of objects and to explore the effect of their own actions on the motion of objects.
It is spiral.
They identify characteristics of a greater variety of animals and plants.
And he swims in water, but Twitter doesn't.
Right.
Because
Ducks swim in
Twitter-
water, but Twitter doesn't.
Indicate greater knowledge of body parts and processes.
Because the heart beats and then makes blood in your arms.
Recognize that living things have habitats in different environments, suited to their unique needs.
Where did you find it?
Under a big rock.
Under a big rock? And do they live under rocks?
Yeah. They crawl around dirt.
And demonstrate an increased understanding that living things change as they grow and go through transformations related to the life cycle.
That green thing isn't. That's the flower, but it's not ready to open.
They demonstrate an increased ability to investigate and compare characteristics of Earth materials, an increased ability to observe and describe natural objects in the sky,
It's gone.
It's gone. Why is
Yeah.
it gone?
Because of the cloud covered the sun.
and an increased ability to observe, describe, and discuss changes in weather.
Va a llover más a ratito.
They also demonstrate an increased awareness and the ability to discuss in simple terms how to care for the environment.
What would make our earth happy if we put it in the compost bin?
Cans?
Is that compost?
No.
Oh wait, that's that other thing.
Cycle?
That's recycling. Let's talk about recycling afterwards, but who can remember after we have snack and when we have lunch, what are some things that we put in the green compost bin? Jalen?
Napkins?
White napkins?
And participate in activities related to its care.